Hey guys, welcome to the Field of Trucks for Summer Series 38. So, I don't know why, but I just decided that I'm just going to go big. There's 60 trucks in this series, so without further ado, let's get started on this big Field of Trucks video. Just the camera. Hot Wheels 2012. Ice Monster. American Dream. Patriot. Yeah, I had to come over here because if I did the Field of Trucks where I normally do it here, this entire thing would be clogged up with trucks, and I wouldn't be able to do any more trucks than like 40. Silver Avenger. Gravedigger 25th. Blue Thunder. Screaming Demon. Reptoid. Super Trucker. Hot Wheels 2002. Anger Management. Nitro Circus. Ninja Turtles. El Toro Loco Stars and Stripes. King Crunch World Finals. Riveted. Past Champ Gravedigger. So this is just common Gravedigger. Normal. If you want to be in that truck. Obsessed. Desperado. Annihilator. Hope I didn't miscount this time like I did last series. Category 5. Wrecking Crew. Silver Mohawk Wario. You'll see a lot of trucks from last series in here. Sudden Impact. Earthshaker. Backdraft. Cyborg. El Matador. Black Stallion. Bad News. World Finals. Air Force Afterburner. Megalodon. Virginia Giant. Carolina Crusher. Spider-Man updated, or just comment New Tool Spider-Man, because there's the 01 Spider-Man, because this is the SFX Spider-Man. Steel Striker. Wonder Woman. Big Kahuna. White Bone Shaker. Aftershock Silver. Green Jester. Hurricane Force. Iron Outlaw. Donkey Kong. Purple King Crunch. Northern Nightmare. Chrome Son of a Digger. Instigator. Radical Rescue. Samson. Hot Wheels, I believe 50th anniversary. Just comment Hot Wheels anniversary, because I don't remember what anniversary that is. Raising Cain. The Felon. Prowler. Flashback Hot Wheels. Nitro. And last but not least, Sting. That is the Field of Trucks for Sign Up Series 38. You guys have a lot of choices, so choose wisely. I'll see you guys in the series. It'll either be late tonight or tomorrow. Bye.